guys, welcome to another exclusive video from Rhode Electric where I show you how to wire a single pole switch. Alright guys, so for today's video, these are the tools you'll need. You'll need hammer to hammer your staples, Phillips screwdriver, straight blade screwdriver, T5 electrical wire stripper, plate, switch, ground tail, wire nuts, and handy straps, and your 14-2 wire. Alright, so getting started, we already have our wire stapled, and we have our wire stapled up here. So we have our wire going to our light, and we have the power coming in for the light. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is kind of separate these a little bit and go for your grounds first. Obviously, everything is powered off, and you would want to do this with the power off. So first, we're gonna make a ground whip. I showed you in the first video on how to make an outlet. We used a green wire nut to do the ground connection. This time, we are going to just use a ground whip. So basically what I did is I just cut a piece of 14-2 and just stole the ground out of it. And I'm gonna use that as the whip to go on to the device. So, just put that on there. We got a tan wire nut, more than big enough to handle 3 14s. So, alright, so we got him wire nutted there. Now, you're up at your light, you have a black, white, and a ground, typically, or maybe you just have a black and a white, and your ground's not used. But you need to make sure that you get your neutral up there, otherwise your light's not going to work. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to hit the neutrals, cut them off just a smidge. Now we don't need to cut them too far. All we need to do, just get them stripped long enough. And that's what we got our orange wire nut for. And that's what we're going to use to make the neutral connection, to take the neutral up to the light. I'm going to use my T5 here. Not to over torque the wire nut, because you don't want to snap off the wire on the inside, but you know, just gently enough just to get it a nice solid connection, just a few twists. You don't want to overdo it. See the wires starting to twist together. It's a good sign that you're already pretty tight. So I'm going to stop right there. That's a good connection. Alright, so we have our neutral, our ground done. So we're just going to tuck this guy in the back of the box. So we don't need him anymore. He's done. So we don't need that neutral. We will need this ground on the other hand. And we're just gonna tuck him straight back like so. With our little whip out, we're gonna take our T5 twist. Alright, so now we can start making our connections here onto our device. Straight blade screwdriver. You can use the Phillips if you want. I prefer straight blade. Tighten our ground down on the green screw onto our switch. Okay, now we got our hot one and our hot one up to the light. So these we just want to strip. Obviously we want to make sure the power's off, make sure you tested that ahead of time, because getting electrocuted is not fun. So put our twists on there. Alright, so our power, no, it absolutely does not matter which way you hook this up. So you could put your power right here, you could put it up here, it does not matter, because when you turn the switch on, there's a connection inside the switch that just links these two terminals together, basically. So we're just gonna put that one there, nice and snug. All right, and then our connection to the light up to there, and there you have it. So we got our device here. We're kind of just gonna tuck them in there. Screw down our device into our box. And that'll be it, really. All right, single to pole switches are very easy to wire. You don't want to make it more difficult than you want to, you know. If you start getting, I don't know, nervous about doing it, I guess what I would do is call a hired professional and have him do it. But it's really not that hard. Anybody can do it. You just don't overthink it. So, got our plate. We're just about finished up. I knew that would happen. All right. All right, and there you have it. Single pole switch. That's how you do it. Alright, be looking for our new videos coming out. There will be how to put a GFCI in, how to protect an outlet down the line from a GFCI. We'll be showing you how to do three-ways, which a lot of people want to know about because they, like I said, they overcomplicate them sometimes. So what you want to do is just keep in touch with our new videos coming out here, and yeah, learn how to do it yourself, you know. So if you're a flipper, house flipper, anything like that, or you just want something simple done, you don't want to pay somebody a ton of money to do it, this is a great video for you to watch. All right, thanks. See you guys soon.